people still with connections back here. Let them through.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Hot soup coming through, y'all. Hot soup. Hot soup, coffee, hot coffee. Watch out, y'all.
Runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 30 left, clear to land.
Welcome to San Jose.
With service to Orlando, Florida. Please make your way to gate number 6 for an on-time departure. Thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines.
Southwest 665, gate 14, Bravo, ready push.
Southwest 665, off ramp, good evening, gate 14, pushback approved, Charlie 1, tail west.
Charlie 1, tail west, push approved, Southwest 665.
Alrighty folks, if we could have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737 MAX 8. 2 life rafts are located in the forward ceiling compartment.
Ramp Southwest 665 off of gate 14, ready to go.
Southwest 665, taxi via Golf 1, hold short of Golf, contact ground point 9, have a go in.
Alright, Golf 1, short of Golf, over to ground, Southwest 665, see ya. Ground Southwest 665, Golf 1, short of Golf, ready to taxi with Bravo.
Southwest 665, off ground, runway 18 left, taxi via Golf Bravo, and information Charlie just went current.
Okay, Golf Bravo, and we'll get Charlie, Southwest 665.
Southwest 665, off tower, turn right heading 190, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
That'll be right turn 190, 18 left, clear for takeoff, Southwest 665.
Southwest 665, contact departure, good day.
Departure Southwest 665, yeah. Departure Southwest 665, climbing through 2,200, 4,000, heading 190.
Southwest 665, lost to departure, vertical contact, climb and maintain 12000, clear direct to Muse.
Alright, direct to Muse up to 12000, Southwest 665.
Southwest 665, contact Houston Center, 134.2.
34-2, Southwest 665, yeah.
Southwest 665, Las Vegas, approach sphere, scratching, clear of approach runway 26 left.
Tower, Southwest 665 on the visual 26 left.
South 665, Las Vegas Tires, wind 2405, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, Southwest 665.
Southwest 665, right turn, ground point 1, good night.
Right, turn over to ground, Southwest 665, see ya.
West 665, Las Vegas, ground cross runway 26 right, taxi via Golf to ramp.
26 right, we'll cross it, golf to ramp, Southwest 665. And we're ramp, Southwest 665, we're on golf going to gate Bravo 20.
665 ramp control, whiskey for the gate, good night.
Whiskey to the gate, thanks.
Once again, we do have a couple of people that have very, very close connections. So if your last destination is Vegas or your connecting flight is not until much later, please just remain seated while those people go ahead and run off this aircraft so they can make their flight. That'd be greatly appreciated.
Hey, we got people still with connections back here. Let them through.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Hot soup coming through, y'all. Hot soup. Hot soup, coffee, hot coffee. Watch out, y'all.
I appreciate the update.
Okay, here's what the word is.
Completely quoted my
Ramp Southwest 3310, Bravo 12 push.
3310, ramp hold for traffic. Southwest 3310, clear to push, advise ready.
Clear to push, Southwest 3310.
And crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. 1, please remain at your seats or feel free to use one of the 2 in the back.
Ramp Southwest 3310, taxi.
3310, taxi to spot 15, ground point 1, safe flight.
15.1, we'll see you, Southwest 3310. Ground Southwest 3310, coming up to spot 15 with hotel.
Southwest 1310, Las Vegas ground, runway 1 right, taxi Bravo Delta, cross runway 26 right.
Bravo Delta, cross 26 right, so 1 right, Southwest 3310.
So 3310, aerial set.
Yes, sir.
So 3310, helicopter traffic, longest strip at 3000, wind 2304, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 3310.
Alright, folks, we have been cleared for departure. Double check your seatbelts. Enjoy your flight.
Southwest 3310, contact departure.
See you, Southwest 3310.
Southwest 3310, Las Vegas departure, ready to ground check. Southwest 3310, clear direct Joker. Southwest 3310, contact LA Center, 124.62.
Southwest 3310, NorCal approach, rudder speed to 210, and I'm in the altitude, maintain 7,000. Southwest 3310, I got to turn you for spacing here. Fly heading of 230, and then I'll have a right turn back to Clyde for the approach. Southwest 3310, turn right, direct Clyde. Southwest 3310, cross Clyde at or above 5,000, cleared approach, runway 30 left, reduce speed to 200. Southwest 3310, contact San Jose Tower 124.0.
Tower Southwest 3310, ILS 30 left.
Southwest 3310, San Jose Tower, runway 30 left, cleared left.
30 left, clear left, Southwest 3310.
Southwest 3310, right turn 181, hold short of runway 30 right for departing traffic.
Hold short 30 right, Southwest 3310.
Welcome to San Jose.
Southwest 3310, cross runway 30 right, taxi depart via Yankee Golf, good night.
Yankee Golf, hold speed, Southwest 3310.
See you.